Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another Valentine's limited edition beauty box and it is from Next, and this is the Beauty Lovers Edit. It costs £25 and it has a value of £101. I love the fact that Next boxes have these on. It's just something small, isn't it? But I really like it. It's to and from. They do a ton of beauty boxes, if you weren't already aware, on their website for every occasion you can think of, and there's loads on there at the moment. So if you're interested in this box for yourself, then you'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see a link to the actual page where you can have a look at all the other beauty boxes as well. There's 6 products in total. And the first item I'll show you is a variation. So you might receive this, which is a Delilah Smooth Shadow Stick in shade Hot Chocolate. I love a shadow stick. Oh, it looks nice. Look. I really, really like that. I think that is really nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, I really, really like that. Nice and easy to smudge out as well. Can you create a nice line? Yeah. Yeah, I love that colour. That one's definitely be used. I'm obsessed with shadow sticks. I've got a ton of them, but I think they're gorgeous. So you'll either receive that or you'll receive a Nudestix Matte and Glow. It's an all-over blush. Not quite sure what they mean by all over. Apply all over your face. The shade is Magenta Magic. So you can see what it looks like when you go onto the Next website. You can see it in the description and photos and things, but you're not going to know which one you're going to get until you get this box, unfortunately. But no, I'm happy with that. I really like that. Then I've got a Flatlay little bag. This is the Flatlay company, and yeah, that's it basically. It just looks like a slice of orange. See-through little plastic bag there. I'm not that fussed on this one, in all honesty. It's a bit of a weird shape. It's quite quirky. But how much would I put in there? I don't know. I'll have a look if I can put everything that's in the box in here afterwards. I do love the Flatlay company. I do own a few of their little drawstring bags, but I wouldn't go out and purchase this personally. But it's part of the box. We'll see what it looks like at the end of the video. Right, next we've got an ELEMIS. This is Superfood Midnight Facial Nourishing Sleep Mask. And there is 15 mils there. Defined by nature, led by science. Although I like this night cream, the Superfood range isn't high up there of my favourite ELEMIS ranges, unfortunately. But I'll definitely use this one. I do like that one. Then we've got a massage oil. This is Neal's Yard Remedy in the beautiful blue bottle. Can you see? It's stunning. Hopefully you can see there. It's so pretty. I love their bottles. This is a woman's balance massage oil. Harmonises body and mind. Intensely replenishes with macadamia and sea buckthorn oils for smooth, supple skin, and a balancing blend of rose, absolute, geranium and frankincense essential oils. And there's 100 mils there. I love the sound of that. It's nice, actually. Try a little bit on my hand. You're not going to see anything. Feels nice. See, everything smells of lavender to me. It doesn't say if there's lavender in there, but that's what it smells like to me. But no, I like that. You don't usually see like massage oils and things like that in beauty boxes. We've got a fake tan. This is Coco Eve Sunny Honey Barley Bronzing Foam. There is 50 mils here. It's a medium tan. No streaks, no bad smells, no stress, unique cellu-shape formula infused with raw virgin coconuts, botanicals and amino acids to hydrate and firm the skin. With a green-grey base for a natural looking golden glow with no orange tones. I've got a full size one of these down there. I've yet to use it yet. I can't wear fake tan for the next couple of months, well, until April. I don't know if I've told you, but I'm having laser treatment on my face. 2026 is going to be a bit of a change up year for me as far as my skin is concerned. I'm going to be trying Botox for the first time. I'm going to be trying filler in my lips, not to make them big, but just to hydrate them. Botox, I've always been intrigued. I want to see what it can do. If I hate it, then it'll wear off. Same with my lips. I don't want big lips at all, but I notice as I'm aging, my lips look like they're shrinking and they're just extremely dry. I'm constantly putting lip balm, sleeping masks and things on my lips, but they're so dry. So yeah, I've been looking up lip treatments and things, and filler is a good one apparently. But besides that, yeah, I'm having laser to my face. Since I've been using the LED masks, I have noticed that the redness has gone down a little bit, but the LED masks and everything else I use, the skincare and all that, they can't get rid of the broken capillaries on my face. I need to have something more invasive. So I'm having a 3-course of ELEMIS facial laser. It's IPL, and they zap different areas on my cheeks. And then after that, I might be going down the route of microneedling because I've got a lot of scar treatment. So once that's all addressed, I'm hoping that I'll just look more healthy with a nice glow. And yeah, anyway, I can't wear a fake tan while I'm having the laser on my face. And I have one session every 4 weeks for 3 months. So I'll keep that. I don't know what it's like. If any of you tried that, let me know. And then lastly, we've got Dr. PawPaw talking about lips. Tinted True Coral Balm with natural PawPaw, multi-use moisturising and smoothing. And we got, I don't know what it is, it's like 5 mils or something like that. So it's a multi-use balm. It is really good. These are nice for the lips as well. Clear ones are great for my cuticles. I love having the clear ones because they're just more multi-purpose. With this being coral, there's only so much you can use it. I don't like using these on my face like blushes. I find that it's just too sticky. You can see there, you know, maybe a little dab maybe, but yeah, for lips completely fine. Cuticles, whatever, really. It's up to you what you want to do, isn't it? But yeah, it's a nice product, but one I'll use on my lips. And that is it. Let's see if they all get into this little bag here then. So we got the Neal's Yard Remedy Massage Oil, ELEMIS Superfood Moisturising Nighttime Cream, Dr. PawPaw Multi-Purpose Balm, Delilah Eyeshadow Stick, and Coco Eve Sunny, is it called? Yeah, Sunny Honey Fake Tan. It just about fits, just to give you an idea of what's in this bag. It's quite cool actually when you look at it like that, but no, I wouldn't go out and buy it. But yeah, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you think it's a good one, or do you think, nah, it's a pass for me this time? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.